Peace be with you. Dear friends, welcome to Living Flame Podcast website and Facebook group. Gospel Reflections for Friday of the 29th week in the Ordinary Time. Gospel according to St. Luke chapter 12 verses 54 to 59. Jesus said to the crowds, "When you see a cloud rising in the west, you say immediately that it is going to rain, and so it does. And when you notice that the wind is blowing from the south, you say that it is going to be hot, and so it is. You hypocrites, you know how to interpret the appearance of the earth and the sky. Why do you not know how to interpret the present time?" What do we see in the present time? Have you noticed that in the past, just a few months ago, how many wildfires here in Canada as well as in the United States? Recently, there was a huge wildfire that burned practically thousands of houses in Californian state. So there were hurricanes, one after another, and destructions, earthquakes, the recent one in Mexico. So there is also a kind of fear of nuclear war. So terrorism, difficult situations where people live. Now these are the clear signs for us that humanity is at the danger of losing its existence from this planet. Now why is it so? We can see the signs. The greatest threat that is looming today could be of a nuclear war between these huge, mighty, strong countries. Dear friends, these are the signs. Jesus says, if you can read the signs of the time, why can't you read what is going to happen when you watch all these signs happening around us? We should be watchful when we should be praying. We should continue to make efforts to avoid such tragedies. All of us can contribute to the welfare of this planet, trying to avoid things that can damage our planet. Jesus continues to say, "Why do you not judge for yourselves what is right? If you are to go with your opponent before a magistrate, make an effort to settle the matter on the way. Otherwise, your opponent will turn you over to the judge, and the judge hand you over to the constable, and the constable throw you into the prison. I say to you, you will not be released until you have paid the last penny." So settling the matters are very important. Now, it's a question of settling the matter with our planet, settling the matter with an opponent, settling the matter with a rogue country. It is through dialogue, talking, and communicating that we can avoid such a lot of disasters. And at the same time, enlightening people on the important issue of ecological balance. That is what Pope Francis insisted in his encyclical Laudato Si so beautifully, that we have to all work for bringing back health to this planet. Now, how can we bring that? It can start in the place where we live. It can start in the community, in our family, in our neighborhood, where we all can contribute our share in making this planet a beautiful place for us to live. And at the same time, we can spread around us the vibrations of love and understanding, forgiveness and compassion. So everything is connected. Our relationship with one another in our family is connected in our neighborhood. Now, if there is a peaceful family, that peaceful family can spread peace among other families in the neighborhood. And when that particular area is filled with peace, they can already share that peace with a bigger community or a society. So that's how the power of love spreads. Now we have noticed the signs. We have seen these terrible signs around us. So on our part, we will pray for this earth, for this mother planet, for humanity to resolve these difficult, complicated things that happen between nations. And it is through prayer that the Lord will listen to us. And ultimately, contributing my little share towards making this place a better place to live. God bless you.